Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to increase product per page for collection page in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Also, if you wanted to learn Shopify to make money as a freelancer, then you can continue this too. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to the backend or admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on the customize button. Open it in a new tab. Okay. And now going to click on the here, click collections, default collections, and click on the product grid under template, and you can see that here is the product per page max 36. In this video we are going to make it more, increase it. Basically we wanted to increase it. Okay. Now the big question is that how you can do this without any coding skill. Okay, I'm going to show you very simple, easy process. Just go to your admin panel, then click on this three dot icon, then click on the edit code, then search COLL collections, then open main collection product grid.liquid, this file, and here search by press Ctrl F from your keyboard and type per page and press enter. Press enter. Okay, again, and you can see that here is the max 36. Just change it, make it from 36 to 52. Click on the save, asset save. Now go back my customize section and you can see that here is the product per page 36. Right now I'm going to reload. And now looks very carefully, 36. Wow, we have increased at 8 very easily and very quickly. Then you have to click on the save. Okay, so I hope you understand how we have increased it. So, and I believe you can do it very easily. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.